have unfulfilled dreams, and many of us are unable to fulfill those dreams because we have to maintain our financial security. We have that pressure. However, despite that, there are people like me who wish to do whatever we want to do so that we don't lose ourselves in the process of earning. But choosing ourselves comes at a cost. The cost of disappointing our parents and the people around us. Disappointing them by wearing the clothes we want, by applying the makeup the way we want, by not confining ourselves to the city we were born in, by interacting with all kinds of genders, and basically just trying to be ourselves in any way possible. If you are on the track of choosing yourself, know that you are doing the right thing. But today, I, Ritika, am going to express how choosing myself made me feel through these short poetries. My first poetry is called The Girl with Jhumkas. This poetry explains the impact of society on a mother and a daughter. Trying to sleep at night with music on and dim lights. Remembering how she calls me by cursing my name. Leaving my heart sore and letting it bleed for their name. My dreams, aspirations, love all seem like a joke to her. To which she cries later at night. Remembering how even she was restricted to follow the same. Letting her heart bleed, letting her heart soar and letting it bleed for their name. My second poetry is called Sahas. This poetry discusses gender inequality. घर पे काम करूं या बाहर, दुपट्टा ओढ़ूं या नंगे कपड़े पहनूं, लोग फिर भी उंगली उठाएंगे. विस्की पीऊं या लस्सी, साथ में फिर भी नहीं पिएंगे. दायरा बना हुआ एक मर्द, औरत और बाकियों का, जो तोड़ना चाहती हूँ. सब एक ही जाति के हैं, बस यही बताना चाहती हूँ. जवान हो या नहीं, बराबरी की लड़ाई तो फिर भी है काफी लंबी. पर साहस रखो दोस्तों, क्योंकि अब छूना है आसमान हमको. My third poetry is called Meri Chuppi. This poetry is about the abuse women go through and the support they desire from their parents. घूंघट के पीछे बस दब के रह गई. कौन हूँ, क्या हूँ, कोई जानने को राजी नहीं. थप्पड़, गाली, गंदी नजरें सब सह ली मैंने, पर हजम नहीं कर सकती मेरी बेटी के साथ वही. मुश्किल था बड़ा वो कैद खाने से दूर जाना, पर भाग आई हूँ बेटी के साथ उस गंदगी को छोड़ के. कहाँ? एक नए शहर, एक नई दुनिया बसाने. ख्वाहिशें काफ़ी थी हम दोनों में, और उसे पूरा करने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ मुझ पे थी. थैंक यू.